Win Squad, man. Look. I'm in Miami, man. I'm in Miami. As you guys can see, man. I'm on vacation in Miami, man. So look at my rental for the trip. You already know. And guess who's here? Look at who's here, y'all. She's in the building.
I was here.
Yeah. So we're in Miami, man. You already know the vibe. We're about to have a good time in Miami, man. You know, coronavirus cannot stop us, man. So we're about to go eat some food right now. So I will see you guys soon. Man, shout out to Chef Greg. Chef Greg, lié. Good morning, West Squad, man. Good morning to all my people, man. Listen, man, I'm in Miami right now. I came yesterday, so I spent a night at the hotel. So today, I'm about to go to a mansion. You feel me? Mansion vibe. You feel me? So I cannot wait to show you guys where I'm going and stuff. So make sure you stay tuned, man. So look at the view, y'all. Look, the view is amazing. You feel me? So, balcony vibe. So yeah, I'm currently at the hotel right now, so I'm about to check out so I can go to, like, you know, eat some food and stuff because I'm hungry. I had breakfast at the hotel, but it was something slight, you feel me? What's up, Win Squad, man? So I'm about to go to my Airbnb. It's right there, man. I mean, not Airbnb, it's a mansion, you feel me? It's a mansion, man, so I'm pulling up right now, you feel me? So, shoot. That thing is looking so beautiful, man. Look at this, y'all. Look at this, y'all. So yeah, man, I'm in Miami, you know. I had to show out. So yeah, guys. So what's going on, Win Squad, man? You see where I'm at? I'm at this beautiful mansion, man. So hey, look at the car, man. The car's looking so sexy in front of this beautiful mansion, man. So you know, it's a mansion. So I'm about to give you a tour. So look at this beautiful car. That's my rental and stuff, you know, our rental. But hey, yo, so man, I rated that thing, man. You feel me? So all the people is coming later on and stuff. We're having a get together and stuff. So hey, that's like, you know, $2 million house, man. So I have to work because it's expensive and it's nice. So guys, before I take you any further, man, let me give you a tour of the house. Let's go.
Mais aujourd'hui t'en es
Souffle tout le temps de tourner, l'encolure, appétit malais. Oh oui, viens-nous tonton, c'est for LB2.
Lamb talk,
Yeah.
lamb talk.
Oh, 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 hey, hey.
Yes, sir. DJ Smart, saccagé yo. Ooh la la! What are you making, Lala?
Good morning, West Squad, man. You know the vibe. Hey, oh my God, yo, y'all seen too much, man. Fuck that. But so today, man, so it's pool day. You know, I'm in Miami with my people, man. The reason I'm in Miami again, because we have a WhatsApp group, you feel me? So we Haitian, you know, Haitian use WhatsApp. So we're doing a big get together. That's why we put ourselves together so we can try to have a good time to get to know each other and stuff, you know. So that's why I'm in Miami, you feel me? So yeah, so today is pool day, and after that we're gonna go bowling later on, you see what I mean? So hey, I know you guys see the footage from the yacht yesterday, man. We had a great time. I lost my voice, but it's all good, you know. It's all good though. That's why I'm here for, to have a good time, right? So why not? You feel me? Why not? On one côté tout c'est moi, je regarde vidéo ça là, l'aime dit sac passé dit na boule. On prend ça tout là. Sac passé na boule, so you dig? But moi ça qui était en bas, moi I'm about to go eat some food. So let's go with me.
Yes, Chef Wood's in the cut. Yeah, give my God. Yeah, yeah.
muda madame, moi c'est jaloux. Pour ta couronne à sous tête, mais on fait jaloux. On fait jaloux. Qu'est-ce qu'on fait, on fait jaloux. C'est comme c'est que, on fait jaloux. Kako se kaino? Kako se kaino?
Shout out yourself. So today's place like I dinner en blanc. Yes sir. We got one of the best chef in Boca and one of the best chef in West Palm. You feel me? So yo, so that's an upcoming chef. Yes sir. So they're about to put it down in the kitchen, man. So we're about to have a beautiful dinner. You feel me? Place like I. Place like I. So far, man, you know it's all white, and then I got my boy Nick. Yes, my boy Nick is already dressed up.
Follow me on YouTube.
Yes, so shout out yourself, Shama.
Go subscribe to Queen Shama on YouTube, guys, please.
Yeah, hey.
Hi, it's Tiana Squad. This is Bobby. My birthday is Tuesday. Wish me happy birthday.
Yeah, and we got Tashina in the building.
I am Tachina, period.
Yeah.
The real time.
My boy Patrick in the building. Yes, you see what's going on? This is what's going on. You feel me? Shit, it's about to be lit. I'm over here, man. I'm over here, you know. So yeah, we're about to have a good time. So I will see you guys in a little bit.
Oh my God! Oh my God!
What's up, Wens Squad, man? I'm back with another video, man. So today we're about to go to a boat tour, like where they're gonna, we're gonna visit, celebrities' houses and stuff, like we're gonna see a little bit of Miami, So I'm in front of this big mansion, man. You see how we live in Miami, man. You see how we living in Miami, man. So yes, so man, we've been having a great time. It was a WhatsApp group get together and stuff, so we had a great time, man. So today's our last day. We're leaving tomorrow, so I'm gonna miss them, man. We had a lot of great time with each other and stuff, so it was wonderful. So I lost my voice, I can tell, but hey, it's all good. That's what I came here for. What up, Wens Squad? Listen. I'm with Tiana in the building, Tasha in the building. So yeah, we're in Miami, living la vida loca.
It's couple night.
Yeah, couple night, me kaka. You put this out, Moshe. Tiana's in the building.
Miami Beach, baby.
So guys, we came to the boat ride tour. That closed, then I opened today. So we're about to go back to the house and stuff. You feel me? So yeah, man. So I don't want to get copyright. Let me turn off the music. But as you guys can see, you see the Bayside over there, man. Bayside. Every time you come to Florida, make sure you come check it out. There's a lot of activities and stuff, so check it out. Yeah, guys, so make sure you come to Bayside, you feel me? There's a lot of activities. So yeah, man, we're in Miami. You know the vibe. You know the vibe? Okay. This is the Miami Heat Stadium. Miami Heat Stadium, that's where they be playing and stuff, you feel me?
Oh my God, WensTV, I'm your biggest fan.
Thank you for your support. I appreciate you. But you want a picture?
My favorite couple.
Hello.
Social media. What's up?
In real life too. Don't say on social media.
Tiana Squad.
Adoro Tiana.
Mas nós vamos puxar o desse depois, que paga é muito.